believe it or not, we got this road closed. You have to follow a pilot car. You're seeing it right up there. This is Tuesday, the 15th of August. The worst time ever to close this road with the fire going on. There's a load of ice in the back of this van, melting because these fools have got no sense. No concern for what kind of hardships they're putting on other people. As long as they get their contract fulfilled, as long as they get what they need done. Firefighters be damned. People traveling be damned. So far, I haven't seen any reason to need a pilot car through here. I sat back at the spillway of Georgetown Lake probably 15 minutes. This kind of crap happens a lot in Montana lately, the last 10 years or so. It kind of came in with the Obama administration. So far, I still don't see any reason for a pilot car. If I sound a little mad, that's because I am. There's no other way around this stuff. It's either this or go all the way down I-90 to Garrison Junction where I was a couple of weeks ago. Oh, okay, well here we are. There's something going on. We'll see what's happening there. What are they doing anyway? Doesn't look like they're doing anything. They're screwing around, getting paid big bucks, and throwing everybody else out of whack. That back there was the only work that was probably being done. But they'll close the whole road off. That guy up there in the pilot car, he's getting paid to do this. What a job. Alright. I'm closing this down because I know there ain't nothing else up here.